Okay, so that's it for the LGR, and then we will take the properties from property section, this file, and then solution. This is, of course, the equilibrium, okay, for the initialization. And then this is also new, WMFF FVD. This sets molar fraction dependence on depth for water components. So at this depth, we have molar fraction of this for the 4 water components. And for 2700 depth, this is the molar fraction. Okay, this is, of course, for the aquifer. Okay. We will have Fatkovich model. And then this is also new, AQ's trio sets water composition. So we will open with aquifer ID. So this is the, ID1. We only have one aquifer, and this is the molar fraction. Okay, so sets water composition for the aquifer, and this is the aquifer ID and molar fraction. So we only have one molar fraction, or 100, for the water itself. And AquionCon, this is again the detail for the aquifer. This is for the report result, summary, include schedule. Okay, so that's it for the dataset. Now let's go down to grid. Will not be very different. This is for perm X. This is for perm Y, nothing special. And then perm Z will be the same, poro, right? Important thing here is actually properties. Okay, this is for properties, relative permeability. We have capillary pressure there. This is relative permeability endpoint with Corey function for gas. And we will have also the Corey for gas. Oil wet immiscible, the relative permeability again. Okay. Now we define the 4 water components. We have 4. The first one is water. And we, by the way, will use this keyword W for water and names for the water components names. Water, alcohol, acid, acetic acid, and then ester, the hydrophilic site of the ester. Okay, and then this is the molecular weight for each water component. Okay, and then this is PVTW item 1. This is for the density. Okay, and then equation of state. Now this is for the hydrocarbon components. C for the carbon, names for the name of the carbon, the hydrocarbon, I mean. So we'll have C1, and this is the lump component, C2, C3, C4, C6, C8, C13, C18, and so on and so forth. And we will have ester, the hydrophobic part of the ester, right? So ester has 2 components, the hydrophilic and hydrophobic. The hydrophilic is ester EQ, hydrophobic is ester only. This is the type. If you want to go into the detail, you can open the tNav manual, of course. This is the molecular weight for each of the 9 components. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Critical pressure, as usual, critical temperature, critical volume, eccentric factor. All right, and then this is the molar fraction. Okay, and then binary interaction between each component, and then we'll have reaction. I said it before.